Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to the class. Welcome back to the channel. So, this is going to be our 16th mock test. 15 total mock tests we have done already on this channel. So, you must have watched those sessions. If not, due to any reason, then do watch all those sessions as well. So, a very warm welcome and a very good afternoon. I hope everything is okay. Audio video is fine. And your preparation must be going perfectly fine. Let us start with today's class, today's questions. Let us see. Okay. So the very first set, yesterday's class maybe we have done I think two set of floor and flat based. So this is one more set of floor and flat. Let us continue with it. Okay. Take 1 minute. Try to understand. Try to read this question properly. Let me meanwhile check the audio. Okay. Take 1 minute. Try to understand. Very good afternoon, Arun. Welcome to the class. So this is your floor and flat based question. Take 1 to 2 minutes. You have already joined the session. So take some time to solve this. And what you can answer is who are the persons living in flat A, top to bottom? Flat A, top to bottom. Or of all the persons you can also share. Flat A, top to bottom. Who are the persons living in flat A, top to bottom? Or you can also share the complete arrangement, totally up to you. Hmm. Total 8 person, 4 floors given hai and two floor flats, flat A and B, total 8 slots. Then certain conditions given in note also. Read that note very carefully. Yes, let me share the session also once. And those of you are in the class, do share the session wherever you can. Yes, shall we see the solution? Done. S, Z, X, and V. Perfect. So 4 floors. What is the numbering of floor? Topmost floor is numbered as 4. So this will be 4, 3, 2, and 1. And flat A and B direction. A is west of B. Flat A is west of B, right? Flat A is west of B. flat A is west of B. Flat A is west of B. Let us read the condition. If it is given that just two or three persons live between X and Y, then both are living in the same type of flat unless stated otherwise. If it is given that X is living just one floor above, then both are in the same. ठीक है, both live in the same type के flat. ठीक है, W is living in a perfect square numbered floor and in flat A. Flat A and the perfect square number floor. This can be W or this can be W. 1 is a perfect square of 1, 4 is a perfect square of 2. ठीक है. One person live between W and T. Now, if one or three person both are living in the same, one between W and T, one between W and T, same flat, they have said, given in the note, given in the condition, right? S lives two floors above X. S two floors above X, nothing is given than same flat. Z above Y but in different flat. Z is living somewhere above Y and in different flat. Y is living east of V. Wherever V will be, Y is east of V. That means same floor, Y and V. Y lives towards east side of V. S does not live in the same floor as T. ठीक है. Now V and Y, V and Y, V and Y. ठीक है. Case number 1. Let us see one more case for this. One more possibility. T and W. This is T and W, right? V and Y. है ना? Let us place V and Y. This can be V, this can be Y, or this can be V, this can be Y. Correct? Now, of course, Y cannot be on the top floor, so this is wrong. This is Y. Y. Z is above Y, different flat. This will be Z. Can you place S and X? Yes. This will be S, leaving one X. Which is the remaining person? S, T, U. This is U. Is it the right answer? One person between W and T. Yes. So what is the doubt? S, Z, X, V. One person between W and T. सही तो है? One person between W and T. What is the doubt? In the condition, Arun, they have said, na, if it is given just two, three persons live between X and Y, then both persons live in the same type के flat. So if I say one person between W and T, this is W, one person between W and T, same flat. What was your doubt? So this will be your arrangement, I guess. Let me cross check. One between W and T, S, two floors above X. Z above Y, different flat, Y is to be S does not same. Ah, okay. This is wrong. S does not live in the same floor as T. अभी गलत है. It's wrong. S and T. Let us cross check the other arrangements also. It is W and T. This is W and T. Let us place V and Y. This is V and Y. This is V and Y. ठीक है. Z above Y in different. This will be Z above Y different. Not possible. All right. S and X. This will be S leaving one X and this will be U. Now this is right. So I think yours was SZXV. No. You have made some mistake, I guess. Yes. If you have any doubt, please ask Arun. In the note, it was given that if there are 1, 2, 3 persons between A and B, then both live in the same flat. So this is W, one person in T. What was the doubt? Is it okay? SWZT. Should I check your diagram? Chalo. Let me cross check your answer. Let me draw your answer. Okay. I hope आपने you have solved right to left. So what is your answer? SWZT. SWZT. है ना? SWZT XUVY. This is XUVY. One person between W and T. गलत है ना? This is wrong. This is absolutely wrong. One person between W and T. Where you can see. इसने clearly, it is clearly saying in the condition ना. Read it again. If it is given just मतलब one, two, three persons. For example, it can be 4, 5, 6 any. But उसने दे दिया है. live between X and Y, then both are living in the same type के flat. Simple. So how can you say W and T, one person? Okay. So according to this, you have to consider in this way. One person between W and T, both are in the same flat. Is it okay? Mhm. Yeah, I understood. Acha, acha, you are counting in this way. No, according to this condition, one person between A and B. So yes, see, it will be given to you. It will be given to you if you are counting. Na? So when this condition is given, then you are right. What is that condition? Sometimes it will be given that persons are counted from left to right. It will be given to you, right? It will be given to you. Because if you see flat wise, zero person is there. And the reason they are saying that both are living in the same flat, that means that in the same flat, you need to arrange those number of person. Is it okay? If T is in different flat, so that is not possible that you can draw one person between W and T. So when you are counting from left to right, condition will be given that the persons are counted from left to right. यहाँ पे because they have mentioned that if 1 2 3 persons between A and B both are in the same flat. So considering both in the same flat, you have to fix the number of persons between them. For example, suppose this is one flat, right? I am on a floor, right? This floor have many rooms, many flat. For example, this is one flat, this is one room. Now, above this, there is one more room. Above that, there is one more room. Symmetricity. So, between this and next to next, can I say that one floor is there or one person is living? Because me and that person next to next is living in the same flat. So, I can say one person is living between me and him. I can say because it is one person. But if I count from floor left to right, then the answer will be different. For example, if I ask in this question, how many persons are living between S and X? Number of person, I am asking you, how many persons between S and X? Note when counted from left to right. So your answer will be between S and X. One, two, three, three persons. But according to this condition, S and X counting is done in this way. Only one person, that is Z. I hope now it is okay. If you consider this counting from left to right, number of persons between S and X, 3%. After S, 1 W, Z, T, 3%. But according to this note, if number of persons are given between any two, both are in the same flat, S and X, Z, only one person, Z. Okay. I hope that was okay. Because of that, you have made mistake. Otherwise, I know you would have solved this right. Question was not that difficult. Moving on to the next one. 4 to 5 questions, easy questions of inequalities. Mhm. Easy. O is greater equal to L. O to Z S या O to Z, O से L कैसे आओगे? O Z S. हाँ, O से S, S से L, one greater, it will not be greater equal to neither. O is greater than E. O से Z S, S से E. Symbols are changing, doubtful. None follows, option 4. None of the given conclusions follow, option 4. Next. Next. Very good afternoon, मुदासिर आलम. वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून. आई थिंक दिस इज योर फर्स्ट क्लास. आज आप पहली बार आए? नहीं. आई रिमेम्बर योर नेम. यू वर देयर इन सम ऑफ द प्रीवियस क्लास. आलम, आई रिमेम्बर. x is greater equal to f. दिख रहा है? x greater equal to f. Directly you can see that between x and f symbols are changing. Symbols are changing, so doubtful. j is greater than f. j से h d a a f. This one is right, है ना? Only second, option 3. Yes. Option 3, only second conclusion will follow. Very good. Next, y is greater equal to a and s is greater than o. Y is greater equal to a. Y, the symbol attached with y is of greater. So y will either be greater, but it cannot be greater equal to. Acha, this is your first class. All right, then welcome. We are revising in this class, right? Mock test. Almost all the topics are being revised in the same class. S is greater than O. S to R, R to T, A O. Yes, this one will follow. Option 4, only second follows. Very good. Next. P is greater than L and P is equal to L. So, Mudasir Alam, what is the status of your preparation? Level of your preparation, status of your preparation, Alam. थोड़ा सा बताइए अपने बारे में so that we can talk, I can guide, I can mentor you. What should be your course of action for the banking examination? What I want to know is that, like, if you have ever prepared for your examinations, banking especially, yeah, maybe earlier you were planning for, you have prepared for any other examination, this is your first time, or it's been like 1 month, yeah, still you are thinking, pondering over it. Should I start preparing? How to start prepare? How do I start prepare? Let me know your details if you want any sort of guidance. Hmm. P, either or. Option 3, that will be either or. What is the relation from P to L? P to L. The statement is saying that P is greater or equal to L. Statement is saying that either P will be greater or it will be equal. That is exactly what is given in the conclusions. If I combine these two, that means either one or two. Simple. Perfect. Next. You are preparing, like, all right. Great. So you can answer then also. Only Arun is answering alone. So why are you not answering? Let's practice. Now that you have given your time, precious time to this class, you are in this session. Do utilize it properly, 100%. Answer these questions. I is greater than R. I to U, Y, R. Yes. One greater symbol. Can you see? E is greater than O. E say R, Y, O. Symbols are changing. Doubtful. Only one. Only one. Option 2. Yes. Option 2 will be the answer. Very good. Next set. Chali, Alam, give it a try. I want answer from your side also. 8 persons. Let's take 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll start solving and you can continue. This is rectangular tabular based sitting arrangement. There are 8 persons: Angelo, Harry, Gary, Barry, Cherry, Fredericks, Darwin, and Eve, sitting around a rectangular table. 4 are sitting at the corner, 4 are sitting at the middle of the side. जो corner पर है आज facing inside, mid of side face outside. Both the immediate neighbor of Eve are sitting, followed by certain conditions. आपको मुझे क्या बताना? What you have to answer? You just let me know who are the persons sitting at corners. Who are the persons sitting at corners? I know that within 2 minutes, it won't be, you won't be able to solve this. But in these 2 minutes, let's assume that you are solving half, remaining half, we will solve it together, right? After 2 minutes, I will start solution and you can continue, right? Alam and Arun, give it a try. Start solving this. अच्छा question है. A good question of sitting arrangement. Shall we start, Arun and Alam? Hmm, I think 2 minutes are up. We can start. That's okay, Alam. No problem. But if you will be like regular and continuous with us, definitely after a while you'll see the improvement. Should I start? 8 persons, ठीक है. There are total 8 persons sitting around a rectangular table. This is known to us. Oh, oh, oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Direction देखो. The one sitting at the corners face inside. The one sitting at the corners are face inside. Mid of side will face outside. Corners face inside. Mid of side face outside. ठीक है. So in such situation में, have you done this, Arun? Continue करें, ठीक है. So in this situation, always it is important because there are two different location where you can start placing the person. It is important if you have any confirm information, let's start from there. Both the immediate neighbor of Eve are sitting at the corner. What is the meaning of this? If both the immediate neighbor of Eve are sitting at corner, that means Eve will be at any mid of side. तभी तो both the immediate neighbors sit at the corner. ठीक है. All right. Angelio, who is sitting in mid of side and is to the immediate left of the one who is sitting at one of the corner. Angelio is also in mid of side. ठीक है, देखेंगे. Neither Cherry nor Harry is immediate next to Fredericks. Gary is second to the right. Let us place this now. Gary is second to the right of Eve. This will be Gary. What is the spelling? G. Starting with G. Garry. Second to the right of Eve. Is it okay? Dawkins. Third right of Angelo. Where was Angelo? Mid of side. Mid of side. Third right. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. Now mid of side out of 4 places, two already occupied. I can start with this. I can use this condition. Angelo middle side. Angelo is sitting on middle of side. Two possibilities. Let us use this. This is Eve. This is Gary. This can be Angelo. Angelo, right? Angelo, who is sitting in mid of side and is immediate left of the one who is sitting at one of the corner. Obvious. Related to Dawkins. Dawkins is third right of Angelo. Third right. 1, 2, 3. Dawkins. Dawkins. Third right of Angelo. 1, 2, 3. This will be Dawkins. थर्ड राइट ऑफ एंजेलो. ठीक है. डॉगविन इज थर्ड राइट ऑफ एंजेलो. ठीक है. हाँ. नाइदर चेरी बेरी सिट नेक्स्ट टू फेडरिक नहीं है. बेरी एंड फेडरिक मिडल ऑफ साइड पे नहीं है. बेरी एंड फेडरिक आर नॉट एट मिड ऑफ साइड, सो कॉर्नर पर होंगे. फेडरिक्स फेसेस इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन एज कंपेयर टू ईव. ईव इज फेसिंग आउटसाइड. If Eve is facing outside, that means Frederick will face inside. Simple. Neither Cherry, Harry, Dogwin, and Harry. Neither Cherry, Harry, nor Dogwin, Harry sit together. Cherry is immediate left of Barry. Acha. Let us try to place this. Cherry is immediate left of Barry. Angelo is longer side of the table. Hmm. अब देखो. Because this is a rectangular table, right? Because this is a rectangular table, so you know that in rectangular or in just in rectangle shape, we have two longer sides parallel to each other, two shorter sides. Now we have not given as of now. Now we can give. For example, I am assuming this side. This is the longer side. This is the shorter side, right? As usual, this is the longer side. So now related to Angelo, it is saying sitting on longer side. This is my longer side, Angelo. I will not consider this now. Out of these two, I have to consider one because it is giving. Saying that Angelo is on longer side. Let's suppose this is the longer side. Perfect. Now let us focus on this. This is of no use. This is of no use. If required, we will draw one more separate possibility. Okay. Now related to Cherry Berry. Cherry is immediate left of Berry. Cherry is immediate left of berry. They have to be sitting consecutive with each other. Now in this diagram, cherry and berry can come at this place only. C and B. C and B. So these will be C and B. Its left is this. Its left is this. दोनों आ जाएंगे C and B. ठीक है. कुछ और देखते हैं. Barry and Frederick don't sit at middle of side. हाँ यहाँ से आ गया ना देखो. Barry is not sitting at mid of side. So this will not be berry. This will be cherry. This is cherry and this is berry. This is cherry and this is berry. ठीक है. Berry and Frederick. Barry and Frederick do not sit in mid of side and they are both diagonally opposite. They are both diagonally opposite. Who? Barry and Frederick. If this is Barry, then don't you think this will be Frederick? Diagonally opposite. Done. Only one person is remaining. And Frederick is facing opposite direction of Eve. Yes. Eve is facing outside. Frederick is facing inside. Opposite भी है बिल्कुल है. Cherry is immediate left. All the conditions are fulfilled. This is the solution. Which is the remaining person? Harry. Harry को रखा है नहीं ना. Harry. HARRY. Is there any condition given related to Harry? Yes. Neither Cherry nor Harry is immediate next to Frederick. Frederick के पास you do not have Cherry, you do not have Harry. Perfect. This is the correct solution. Give it a try. Right? Arun, have you done this? Have you solved this? Easy to tha. Why didn't you solve this? Yes, Arun. All clear? So, according to your answer, let me read it. Harry Angelo Berry. Harry Angelo Berry, that is right. Cherry Darwin Eve. Cherry Darwin Eve, Frederick and Gary. And then again Harry. हाँ ठीक है, perfect. That is right. That is absolutely right. Very good. Few questions of syllogism. Let's solve this. What will be the answer? Yes. Answer for this, neither one nor two, right? Only a few color is pen. Only a few color is pen. Some pen is pencil. Only, case of only. Only pencil is note. So all note is pencil. Okay. Now, all pencil is pen is a possibility, definitely false. If you will try to place complete pencil, note bhi jayega. But note cannot go because note is having a relation of only with pencil. Some color is note, some color is not even in a case of possibility, definitely false. So yes, overall your answer will be none of the given conclusion follows. None follows. Next, check this out. Both follows. Right. Only a few pillar is palace. Only a few का relation pillar to palace. All palace is house. No house is hut. No house is hut. All hut is tent. All hut is tent. ठीक है. So some pillar is not hut. Some pillar. This much of pillar, because this much of pillar is inside palace house. No house is hut. So some pillar is not hut. That is right. Some tent is not house. Some tent is not house. That is also right. How much tent is not house? All that tent that is occupied by hut. That much will not go to house, not go to palace also, right? So yes, the answer to this question will be both of the given conclusions will follow. Next, check this out. Correct. Hmm, 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 hmm. देखिए, only a few red is green. Only a few red is green. All green is yellow. Few yellow is black, and all black is blue. All black is blue. ठीक है. So again, both follows. The first one is some red is not yellow. Some red is not yellow. यहाँ गलत कर दिया आपने. Some red is not yellow. This you cannot say. Some red is not green hota, then it would have been definitely true. But it is asking of yellow. With yellow, it has got no restriction. If you want, you can draw complete red like this. Still only a few red is green. Statement verify, fulfill हो रहे हैं. But all red can come inside yellow. First one, some red is not yellow, doubtful, right? गलत नहीं बोला, सही नहीं बोला. It is a doubtful case. Second is all black or green is a possibility. All black. Yes, इसमें तो चलो no doubt. Yes. So the answer will be only second follows. Only second conclusion will follow. Is this clear? All right. Next. Pair finding. The word given is underrated alphabet test. Alphabet test. Number of pairs both in forward and in backward direction. Number of pairs both in forward and in backward direction. Underrated. UNDERRATED. I hope the spelling is right. One six pairs. Very good. Let us cross check. Keeping the same spelling. U V W X Y Z N O P Q R. Yes. R S T एन से आर से टी एंड एन से टी, ठीक है। वन इज डी टू ई, एफ जी एच आई जे के नहीं, आर एस टी यू वी नहीं, ए बी सी डी यस, ए से डी। सो वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव तो इधर ही है। डी ई रिवर्स, एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम नहीं है, टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई जेड ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी आर एस टी यू आर एस टी यू डी ई एन ओ नहीं है, नहीं, यस यू आर राइट। वन टू थ्री फोर फाइव सिक्स, all these are pairs, six pairs. Two more questions, same question. Singing, the word is singing, check this out. Only two. Singing, the word is singing, जी एच आई, एक तो ये दिख गया, और कौन सा है? ओनली टू पेयर्स ना, चलो देखते हैं। एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू आई जे के एल एम एन एन ओ पी जी एच आई आई जे के नहीं है, एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस यस, एन से एस, बाकी सब तो जी एच आई, तीन हो गए तो, वाई यू आर सेइंग टू? I think it will be three, na? GHI, GHI. Same letter, same pair, even if it is appearing double, two times, three times, four times, we have to consider those many number of times. Or have you missed this? What was the case? GHI, GHI, N, O, P, Q, R, S. I can see three pairs. Yes, three. Maybe you missed one GI, but the another pair can be NS also. You might have missed NS also. Last question based on this type. Competition. The word is competition. The word given to you is competition. The word is competition. 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 C. Chalo, let's wait. What will be the correct answer? Shall we start forward में? C, D, E, F, G, H, I, yes, C to I, J, K, L, M नहीं है, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, P, Q, R, S, T, yes, P से T, U, V, W, E, F, G, H, I, E to I, T, U, V, W, I नहीं, three pairs in forward. So you are saying very good, Alam. You have not answered, but no problem. Three in forward. Let us check in reverse then. Reverse में NO तो आई क्या? NO P Q R S T U V W X नहीं है. I J K L M N O P Q नहीं है. T U V W X Y Z I J K L M yes. I to M N O T U V W E F G H I P Q R S नहीं yes. 1 2 and 3 5 5 pairs. Yes. Alam, how many pairs are you getting? 5 pairs will be the answer, right? Next. We'll solve this tomorrow. Let's solve one or two questions of Silog. Two more questions of syllogism. Let us solve. We have solved, I think, only 3 questions of Silog. Na? Minimum 5. let's practice. Hmm. No wallet is shoe. No wallet. No wallet is shoe. Some shoe is helmet. Only a few helmet is key. Okay. Both follows. All key being helmet. कहाँ पर है key? All key being helmet is a possibility. Yes. Reverse is true. Only a few A is B. So all A can never be B. But all B can be A. Reverse is right. Some helmets are not wallet. कहाँ गया wallet? Some helmet. Yes. This one is also right. है ना? This is what you were saying both. What is your answer, Alam? आ जाएगा? Will you be getting both as the answer? Some helmets are not wallet. Why? These much of helmet which is common to shoe. Because no shoe is wallet, so these much of helmet will never go to wallet. So I can say that some helmets are not wallet. One more question, Silogs. Check this out. Only a few glue is ruler. Only a few glue is ruler. All ruler is clock. Some clock. Let's suppose itana clock is not desk. Done. Neither one nor two. एक भी follow नहीं करेगा. Let us see. Some clock is definitely not glue. I think कुछ ही दिन पहले हमने किया. We have done this ना. Some clock is definitely not glue. No. All clock, all ruler can go inside glue. No restriction. So some clock is definitely not glue. नहीं. It is wrong. We are not sure about it. All desks are ruler. All desks can be, cannot be. We have no idea. I can say none follows or neither one nor two follows. मतलब एक ही है. Both have got the same meaning, right? All right, then let us end today's 16 mock test of reasoning section for your upcoming IBPS SBI as well as NICL assistant examination. Notification is already out. I have told you this one thing. Already from 18th, exam form filling have been started. So you should also fill that form as well. Preparation is same, level will be less because that is more towards the clerical level examination of banking sector, right? So do attempt, do give that mock test, that exam also. So thank you all once again, Arun, Alam and all others, those who are watching this session, for being here with me in the class, for watching this video. Hope to see you all soon tomorrow in tomorrow's class with new set of questions, same time, same platform. Thank you all once again. Take care and goodbye.